All right, here we go. Last one. Video number 4 of the Bill of Rights. And in this one, pretty short, we're going to be talking about two amendments, and the last two amendments, amendments 9 and 10. And this is learning target number 4. So with these two amendments, the focus will be on the rights of the states and citizens and how they're protected by the Bill of Rights. And then this one's a little bit more general. We've been getting to some really specific rights and protections that the Bill of Rights has. This one's a lot more general. So the final two amendments, Amendments 9 and Amendments 10, in the Bill of Rights, they give general protection for other rights that are not addressed, that are not specifically stated in the Bill of Rights, as far as in the first 8 amendments. These amendments also reserve some governmental powers for the states and the people. So that's a general outlook. Now let's take a look at Amendment number 9. The 9th Amendment says that the rights listed in the Constitution are not the only rights that citizens have. And so it's saying that just because it's not listed doesn't mean that people don't have it. Okay? This amendment has allowed the courts and Congress to decide that citizens have other basic rights besides the previously listed rights in the first 8 amendments. The 10th Amendment. The 10th Amendment recognizes that the states and the people have additional powers. These powers are any ones that the Constitution does not specifically give to Congress, okay, which are the delegated powers. And so just because the Constitution gives Congress certain powers, if it doesn't give it to Congress, then it gives it to the states. That means that automatically the states have those powers. The 10th Amendment makes it clear that any powers not either delegated or given to the federal government or prohibited to the states then belongs to the states and the people. Okay? Thus, the last amendment in the Bill of Rights protects citizens' rights, and it helps to keep the balance of power between federal and state government. And I relate it a lot to how in the federal government we have the checks and balances with our little triangle that we have drawn. Well, the 10th Amendment is a lot like that system, only between the state government and the federal government in the system of federalism.